Imagine you're excited to set up a Python wheel for your testrunner helper script, making it super accessible on your Windows machine. However, you run into a problem where you see an error message stating that there is no module named testrunner. __main __. Testrunner is a package and cannot be directly executed. To solve the first issue, you need to create a __main __.py file by echoing from .testrunner import runTests in a testrunner __main __.py and then echoing runTests into the same file. This will allow you to run your script using Python mtestrunner without any errors. Moving on to the next part of the solution, make sure to update the import statement in your init.py file to only import runTests from testrunner.py. This change ensures that you are importing the correct function. Continuing with the solution, adjust your setup.py file by specifying testrunner. runTests is the command to be executed when you run the testrunner script. This modification will link the console entry point to the runTests function in your script. In summary, by following these steps, you can successfully resolve the issue of not being able to execute your testrunner script directly. Make sure to create the __main __.py file, update the import statement, and adjust the entry point in your setup.py file. Cheers to smoother script execution. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your favorite Python joke.